Wall Street opened with gains amid a surge of optimism in global stock markets. Positive market sentiment is fed by the welcome news on the coronavirus vaccine. The US dollar sharply sank with prospects of hitting new multi-year lows. The U.S. healthcare authorities permitted the use of convalescent plasma to treat patients with COVID-19 as an emergency measure. Besides, Trump's administration green-lighted an experimental coronavirus vaccine from the UK for the use in America ahead of the presidential election. These factors propelled a sharp rally in the U.S. equity market. Futures of the Dow Jones jumped over 1% in the early New York trade and hit a fresh high above 28,000. Likewise, the other benchmark indices logged similar growth. Futures on the S&P 500 rose to 3,421.88 points. The target level for the index is seen at 3,500. Strong performance of high-tech giants contributes to the overall bullish trend of U.S. stocks. Investors focus on Apple as the company is due to split its stock after the New York trade is over today. After a rise at the end of the last week, the U.S. dollar is again losing steam. Growing appetite for risk, as well as the firm Dow Jones, which has the opposite correlation to the U.S. dollar, does not create the conditions for the greenback strength. The effect of the Fed's minutes has come to an end. Today, traders are sitting on the sidelines of the Fed's annual symposium in Jackson Hole. Jerome Powell is likely to confirm the official stance in favor of low interest rates and remind investors of the Fed's intention to drop the idea of controlling the yield curve of treasuries. Recently, traders gave a strong response to the Fed's minutes. This time, Powell's remarks could put pressure on the U.S. dollar. In case Mr. Powell signals extra easing of monetary policy, a new wave of dollar selling will hit the market. Its index could tumble below 92 points. Today, it shed 0.3% against its rivals to trade at near 93. The Canadian dollar edged down against its American peer. The pair is trading slightly higher, having fixed above 132.06, so the bears can set the nearest target at 132.67. The oil market is trading steadily, mainly amid growing risk on mood. Oil prices found support from the storms raging across the Mexican Gulf that could disrupt operation of oil facilities in the area. The economic calendar today lacks macroeconomic data. The Republicans are assembling for the National Convention, which could spring surprises. The White House announced resignation of the Director of Communications. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow. Bye.